morning students, we are going to start with 4th standard syllabus. It is new for you and we are going to start with English syllabus today. The name of first poem is Rain in the Night. Rain in the night means what? It is raining whole night in the particular place, and that is explained by poet Amelia Josephine Burr. She has written poem Rain in the Night, and in this poem it is told that what is the condition after rain. Once it is raining in a particular place, what will be the condition in the place where it has rained. In this poem, then poet has told that it is raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court, but the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. I will sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places, but first I will take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. Amelia Josephine is telling that when it will rain for whole night, it is raining whole night, and the voice of rain, sometimes it is louder, sometimes it is softer. So it is shown that raining all night long. Now whole night it is raining, but then it doesn't rain in same voice, or it doesn't rain in the same way. Sometimes it is louder, sometimes it is softer. So then poet is saying that when we hear sound of rain, pattering of rain, that time it sounds like a song. And then what your poet is telling now, once it is rain, then there will be, what will happen, the condition around us, what will be the condition of gutters. Now in cities there are so many gutters, there are big roads. Then what will be the condition? Now for example, when it rains in monsoon in Mumbai, the condition of Mumbai becomes critical. Correct or not? Critical means it becomes worst sometimes. What happens? Gutter starts flowing out. There will be water on the road. So in same way, poet is saying that if it will rain for whole night, for one night if it will rain, let it be louder or let it be softer. But then what will be the condition of gutters? Gutters will look like rivers. Rivers means what? Nadi. Yes or no? In Marathi what we call for rivers, we call it nadi. Then what gutters will look like? Gutters will, there will be gutters, there will be rivers in the gutters. And lakes along the street. Now street means what? Roads. On roads what will happen? Roads will look like lakes. In Marathi we call it Tadak. The roads will look like lakes. And there is a lazy kitty. There is a small kitten, or you can say, or there is a cat. It is very lazy cat. Whenever it walks in dirty place or muddy place, it doesn't wash its legs. So it will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. I'm getting on. When this lazy kitty will walk on the street or will walk around the place where it has rained, what will happen to its feet? It will wash the feet of lazy kitty, because there will be water everywhere. As there will be water everywhere, when that kitten will walk on the road, you can say, or near your house, then it will wash its dirty feet. Next is, the roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court. Now there are various types of flowers which we plant, and in that the best flower which we like is, you can say, or everyone likes, is rose. So roses will wear diamonds when rain water will fall on the leaf of, or petals, you can say, when rain water will fall on the petals of rose, what it will look like? As if roses have wore diamonds. We wear diamond necklaces, correct or not? In that, in same way it is, Josephine is saying that when rain drops will fall on the petals of rose, it will look as if roses have wore diamonds, because those drops of water will look like diamonds. Then how those diamonds will look? Diamonds will look as if kings and queens at the court, those who wear Kings and queens are wearing crown. You know it very well. Yes or no? They wear diamond crowns. So the roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court. You see, in various films you see, movies you see, there are kings and queens. Those who wear a diamond crown, in same way roses will also look wearing diamonds. But the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. Now there are some small plants. Pansies means what? Meaning of what? This word is what? Pansies means what? Pansies means small plants. Pansies means what? Small plants. Then there are small plants also around the street and around the gutters. What will happen to those pansies? They will become muddy because once the dew, when the rain drop, when rainwater will drop on the land, in same pressure, what will happen? Sand, you can say, or mud will fall on the small plants, right? So they are saying, but the pansies will all get muddy. They will become all muddy because they are very short. They are very too much. They are close to the ground. So when rain will, when it will rain faster, what will happen? Rainwater will fall on the land, and mud which is there on land will fall on the short plants. Short plants means what? Pansies. I will sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. Now poet is saying that I will take one small boat and I will sail my boat on the rivers and lakes. Means I will go in that water. I will take my boat on that water and I will sail, rowing the boat. You know it very well. We do rowing. There is an action which we do when we have to take our boat further. That time we row our boat. Then what she is saying? I will travel. I will travel by boat on water. I will travel by boat on water for what? To see various wonderful new places. And when she will, before that, she is telling that what Josephine is telling, before going next day morning and seeing wonderful places, but first I will take my watering pot. Watering pot, you know, there are various different watering pots which we use at home. If there are small plants, we fill that pot with water, and with that watering pot, what we do, we pour water on the plants. So she is telling that first I will take watering pot and then I will wash the pansies faces. Now whatever small plants are there around the street or around the road, I will wash them first. I will wash those pansies, I will wash those small plants, and after that I will go and sail my boat and see wonderful new places. I think you have understood the poem. If there will be any doubts, I will clear it afterwards. There is a homework of this poem. First of all, you have to make English notebook. In that English notebook, you have to write down this poem. After writing this poem, you have to learn this poem. You have to recite it. You have to learn the poem. Learn and recite it. Okay. And after learning poem, you have to write word meanings. Word meaning of pansies. Word meaning of gutter. What is now gutter? Gutters means what? Channels which we see around the street. Word meanings. There are two word meanings in this poem. You have to write down meaning of pansies. You have to write down meaning of gutters. It is there in your textbook. You will have to buy your textbook first. You have to write down word meanings. After writing word meanings, I will give you some questions for your homework. You have to write down questions and find out answers, or you can make your own answers and write down below those questions. Okay? And there is one question given here. Describe in 3 to 5 lines what happens when it rains in your surrounding. One question is very interesting. Now this I told about rain. Once it rained in one night, and what had happened in that one night, I have explained you in this poem what is the expressions of poet Amelia Josephine. But you have to write down 3 to 5 lines. What happens when it rains in your surrounding? This is the homework which you have to do. I will send you questions. I want you all to write down all question answers. I want you to write down poem in your notebook. I want you to write down word meanings in your notebook. Okay? Thank you.